You can apply filters with many different ways in pivot tables. You can filter on items in a pivot table or even on items that are not displayed in a pivot table. Let's take a look at all the filters in a pivot table. The data that we have is sales of different products across different regions via different channels. Let's create a simple pivot table and show total units sold for each product. Steps for that are very simple. Select the entire data, go to the insert menu and click on pivot table. Leave the settings as it is and press OK. Let me zoom in a little. We will bring products to rows and units sold to values. And as you can see, we have total units sold for all the products. You can see the first type of filter is visible already. It is right next to the row labels. I can filter out products that I need to. It works like any other filter. Now let's look at the next filter. I'll bring product to the filter group. Now all it shows is the sum. If I remove some items, the total changes. Now I'll bring product back to rows and clear all filters. Let's explore this filter a bit more. This time, instead of moving the product to filter, I will add channel to filters. This is where things get very good. This helps us use so much more detail from our data. I will select only online from the list of channels. And I can see the units sold for each product from the online store. We don't have the channel information otherwise in the pivot table, but we can modify it in filters to slice and dice the data. I'll clear the filter. And now you can see we have the totals again. Now let me remove it completely. Let me show you another filter. This one is called Slicer. Click on the pivot table and go to Pivot Table Analyze. In some versions of Excel, it will be just Pivot Table, in some Analyze. Click on Insert Slicer. Now you can add a slicer with an element visible in the pivot table or with any other element. Let's first add a slicer for product. I can filter out options using this. It is prominently visible and very intuitive to use. Now let's add another slicer. Click on the pivot table and go to Pivot Table Analyze. Click on Insert Slicer. This time I will add the region slicer. Now I can select the region for which I want to see the data. In fact, both the slicers are functional. Slicers and pivot charts together help in creating interactive dashboards. You can look at the link for that video in the description below and learn how to create interactive dashboards in no time. So this is all about different kind of filters and pivot tables. Hope this was useful. Thanks for watching. Until next time.